Elizabeth on Facebook. Can you use this technique to make an interesting interior door look?
Oh, interesting.
She's absolutely right. Some of the first doors I ever built, take 2 frames, put them back to back, get great results. And another thing
Wait,
too.
explain, I don't follow that. Take 2 frames. So two of these original frames that you made?
Yeah, but
and you're putting them on a slab? Or no.
You put 2 of them together, now you have an 1.5 inch thick door.
Oh, interesting.
With 1 plywood panel in the middle, and the moldings hold the panel in place. And another thing that
I'm sorry, so in that situation, you're making the door as opposed to dressing up an existing door.
Exactly.
All right, cool.
But to your point, you could even, because sometimes doors are thicker, you could actually just put a skin on an existing door.
Right.
I'm sure there'd be some things about clearance and such,
Yeah.
but I've made a good bit of doors where of course you have to have a good bit of clamps to glue the 2 back to back, but it makes a very stable door, especially if you're working with like a product as stable as Windsor Ones.
Got it. Very cool.